number 12, and we are going to touch on functions. So we are having a function here, and we are told to calculate the coordinates of E and D. So these are the two coordinates that we are going to find. Now, at E, we start there. We start at E because it's easy to find E. We know that at this point, sitting on the y-axis, there at that point, we are having x equal to 0. So, what do we mean? What do we mean? We mean, because we are having this equation right here, we are going to set everything on 0. When you see x, we put 0. This is our equation, negative 2. X equal to 0. 0 plus 1. This is what we are having. Now, we are having negative 2 times negative 3 times positive 1. You are having basically a 6. So, at that point, you are having the value of y equals to 6 and x equal to 0. So, the coordinate at that point is 0 and 6. So, that one was easy to find. Now, let us go further and find the point D of the graph F. Now, the point D of graph F is the turning point of the graph. So, we know very well to find the turning point, we have the equation negative b over 2a. That is x physically equals to that. So, we're going to come back there. But our equation is not in a good form. So we are going to change the form and put it in a set of a trinomial form. Now, we are having this one here. So we are going to change that. We are having an f at x. And then we are going to focus on these two brackets. We are going to multiply throughout first the two brackets. Meaning x times x is going to give us an x squared. We start with the brackets. X times is going to give us a positive x, negative 3x. So it's 1 minus 3 is going to give us a negative 2x. And then negative 3 times 1, you are going to get a negative 3. So here's our trinomial. And we multiply it throughout by a negative 2. So we are having a negative 2x squared, a positive 4x, plus a 6. So now this is our equation in a more visible form. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now we know that at this point we are having A, at this point we are having B, at this point we are having C. If you remember. So this is where now we are going to use the AB on that form to find the value of x, because we know at A we have a negative 2, at B we have a positive 4. So we substitute what we have here on that one there. And therefore, our B is 4, which is negative 4. Negative times the negative times the positive is a negative 4 over 2. Our A is a negative 2. There we go. So, if you punch all of that, you are going to have a negative 2 and a positive, negative 4, and a negative 4 at the top. So basically we are having a positive 1. So we have x at that point equals to 1. So if x at that point D is equal to 1, we know very well what is the value of y. We are going to take the x and substitute it into the original equation. Basically we can come and take it and substitute it on this one we just did here. So, we take the 1 and put it in negative 2, positive 1, plus 4, positive 1, plus 6. So, we are having negative 2, plus 4, plus 6. So, negative 2 plus 4 is a positive 2. We have an 8 at that point. So, our value of y is equal to 8. So our point there at D basically becomes now a 1, and an 8. X equal to 1, y is equal to 8. So we have E, we discovered E is 0 and 6. and D, 1 and 8. So that's all from me, Mr. M. Have a wonderful day and a great evening. God bless you. Bye-bye.